with another series of lectures. This is Faiz Mahmood. Today we will start passive voice of tenses. This is lecture 1. We will see how an active sentence has been converted into a passive one. There are 5 kind of changes which we make to convert an active sentence into a passive one. The first change is we change subject into an object. Subject is changed into object. The second one is object into subject. We change object of the sentence into subject of the sentence in passive voice. We use by before an object in passive voice. The form of the verb is changed into third form. We use helping verb according to the tense. These are the 5 changes which we make to convert an active sentence into a passive one. The first change, he beats his brother. This is present indefinite. He is beating his brother. Present continuous. He has beaten his brother. Present perfect. He slapped his brother. Past indefinite. He was slapping his brother. Past continuous. He had slapped his brother. Past perfect. He will slap his brother. Future indefinite. He will have slapped his brother. Future perfect. Now, this subject will be changed into object, and this object will be changed into subject in a passive voice. Let's see. His brother has been made subject, and objective form of this he is taken to make object in passive voice. You see, the same thing is happening in every tense. Same. His brother, his brother. This is object, this is subject in passive voice. Object of the active voice become the subject of the passive voice. Subject of the active voice becomes the object of the passive voice. The same construction in every tense is used in passive voice. I mean, conversion of subject into object and conversion of object into subject. You see, his brother, him, his brother, him, his brother, him, his brother, him. Every tense we have used same construction converting the subject into object and object into subject. Now, the second change. Second change. In passive voice of every tense, we use by before object. We use by before object in every tense of in passive voice of every tense. You are seeing on your screen by. This is the second change which we make while converting active voice into passive voice. The third change. This form is changed into third form. You may observe that this is beats, present indefinite. This is beating, present continuous. This is beaten, present perfect. This is slapped, past indefinite. This is slapping, past continuous. This is slapped, past perfect. This is slap, future indefinite. This is slapped, future perfect. We have used beaten in every passive voice in every passive voice of each of these tenses. In present indefinite, third form. Present continuous, third form. Present perfect, third form. Past indefinite, third form. Past continuous, third form. Past perfect, third form. Future indefinite, third form. Future perfect, third form. In every tense of passive voice, we use third form of the verb, whether it is present, past, or future. We use third form in passive voice. So, this is the third change which we make in constructing passive voice from an active sentence. Now, there remains. This is present indefinite. How we will come to know that this passive voice is of present indefinite or past indefinite, present continuous or past continuous? We will come to know about the tense of passive voice from this helping verb. If there is beats, we will use is, are, am. Is for singular, are for plural, am for personal pronoun I. You see, this third form, beat, has become beaten. So, this is telling us that this is a passive voice of present indefinite tense. Now, this beat, we have made this, we have converted this into third form. Now, how we will come to know that this is passive voice of present continuous tense? From this be ing. This ing has been converted into being. We add be with ing to make it being. Is remains the same. So his brother is being beaten by him. Is being telling us that this is a passive voice of present continuous tense. This beaten, third form. This beaten, third form. This has perfect. This has perfect. Now, this being is telling us that this is a passive voice of present perfect tense. We add been while making passive voice of present perfect tense. Now, this slapped second form and this slapped third form. How we will come to know that this is a passive voice of past indefinite? This was helping verb tells us about the tense in passive voice. Helping verb informs us about the tense of the passive voice. Was and were are used in past indefinite tense. Was for singular and were for plural. He was slapping his brother. Again, continues. This ing has been made being by adding be plus ing. Being, his brother was being slapped by him. This being was being telling us that this is a passive voice of past continuous. He had slapped. This third form, this third form. So how will we come to know? Had and had, we add been in passive voice of perfect, whether it is perfect of present or past. In present we use has been, in past we use had been. He will slap his brother. He will slap his brother. So will we use be in addition to show that this is a passive voice of future indefinite tense. Future indefinite tense. We use be with it. Use be with it.